everyone, I'm Miss Emma Walsh. Welcome back to my channel. Yes, my channel logo is back on if you haven't recognized. Lots of changes. I think this year has been pretty crazy for everyone, certainly for me. Lots of ups and many lows, and unfortunately a big blow in the last couple of weeks. I know I said I had some cool content for you guys coming for the box TV. Unfortunately, after lots of hard work, one of our investors has pulled out, and so we've decided to basically not can the idea but can the boxed TV logo and everything on the channel. So now it's back to my logo, which is awesome, and my name is back on the channel, so I'm pretty pleased with that. So we have some cool content coming still. Obviously just that investment behind myself and the channel has gone, which is pretty disappointing, but it's okay. We've got some cool stuff planned. I know I said I have news and updates. Firstly, I just want to say it's actually kind of winter in Cape Town now, but it is totally showing off today. It's beautiful. I've actually just got myself, I was given a nice coffee from Shift here in Cape Town, and yeah, basically came down to the promenade to film this last little vlog. I am coming home after much and many debate of what to do. Can I work from here? Is it working? What's going on? And I just think it's time to come back now. The hotel quarantine is most certainly not going away, and yeah, responsible thing to do is to come home now and make some plans and yeah, just get going. So I'm excited. So that's the first bit of news. I'm coming home, so I'm just trying to figure out where all. There we go. There's some air in the car. Coming home. I fly tonight. I've had all my tests done. I'm with KLM, and requires a PCR test and a rapid test as well. So I had both tests done, both negative. I'm just feeling really nauseous, and I think it's just the nerves and the anxiety of doing the hotel quarantine. I've got to go into quarantine for 12 days, which is going to be pretty severe. However, my team and I have planned, I actually don't know too much about what's going on in this series because it's supposed to be a surprise for me. I was so worried about what I was going to do in quarantine that my team put together this really cool show. We've called it A Room with a Mew, MEW, which I thought was really good, from Rebecca. And yeah, we're gonna have guests on the show, lots of challenges. I have no idea who the guests are or who the challenges are. I've sent out a list of my friends and people that may want to get involved, and they've been in touch with them in terms of what I'm going to be doing. So I may very well be embarrassing myself on YouTube, so I'm sure you want to tune in for that. I'm hoping to do it live, or live on the day, pre-recorded on the day and sent out in the evening. We're just going to wait to see what the hotel room is like and what kind of activities we can do inside the room. It's going to be interesting. I think the show is going to be awesome. I'm just a little bit nervous as to what I'm going to have to be doing in that hotel room for 12 days. We're going to give me a couple of days to settle down, and then it should all be going ahead. Now, obviously, it was a massive expense. It's cost me over $2.5 grand to get home. I feel sick. I haven't been working for ages. This deal just fell through. But I literally just pulled the band-aid and was like, right, I need to come home and just make that money back. If you would, however, like to get involved with helping, I don't know, buy a coffee, send me some wine, buy me some lunch, I think one of my biggest worries is the food in the quarantine. Is that going to be okay for me to eat? Obviously I have some allergies, so I always have my PayPal link down on my YouTube videos. A lot of people on Instagram ask how they can get involved, help with the channel, help with any kind of expenses, and it means the world to me. Honestly, through lockdown, so many people sent like just small amounts of money, like a £5 or a pound or whatever it was, and it just got me through dealing with obviously not having any work and losing all my work. So the support means the world to me. I know this channel's been up and down for the last year and a half. It's been crazy for me living it in this world, in my life, as it has been, I'm sure, for lots of people as well. So trying to get back into it now and do it properly. So with a friend and a partner who's going to be helping me do this, we've got some good ideas for TV series when we get back. I am hoping that all the summer events go ahead. We've got the F1 Silverstone, the Formula E Silverstone, and then also Goodwood Festival of Speed, and that is why I'm coming home tonight. Hopefully, if we planned it right and nothing goes wrong, I should come out the week of the Goodwood Festival of Speed. So I will be attending, just depends what day, probably on the weekend. So let me know down in the comments below if you are attending Goodwood Festival of Speed. I don't even know if it's going ahead yet. The website says still waiting. I think they're trying to do the COVID testing thingy majoggy that they're doing. So hopefully it goes ahead. Let me know down below if you're going to be there. Please come say hi to me. I'm not scary. I'm really short. I say hi, and I really like it when people come and say hi to me at these events. So yeah, let me know if you're going to be there, and I'll make sure that I spend some time with you all. It'll be so good to get back into it, to see everyone, to see all the brands again. I'm basically just going into around to all the brands, being like, I'm home, I'm here, let's do some stuff together. So that's kind of the plan for now, and then I will have to go and pick up my Mini, which I am so excited for. Can't wait to see my baby, pick up all my clothes, find a new home, all of this adulting stuff that has to be done, but one thing at a time. Get to the airport today, finish packing obviously, and yeah, just get through the flight, I think, through Amsterdam and then into the UK, and then next step is obviously the quarantine. So get in touch on Instagram. I am going to be doing lives, I'll be doing Q&As. I'm sure there'll be some competitions involved in this series as well. We're looking for sponsorship, naturally. I'd like to somehow pay for these costs to get back. So if you are a brand that wants your product shown and it's relevant, we are doing very, very big discounted sponsorship deals for the episodes. So do get in touch down below or via my Instagram. My email's on my Instagram. That would be amazing to hear from you. I'm just literally just sitting here with a coffee, looking at the view and like taking it in for the last couple of hours, just thinking about life, what's happened. I can't believe it's been 6 months. I now vlog on my phone because I hate my new camera. So many things has happened. So yeah, that's me, guys and girls. I hope everybody's doing okay. I hope there's not going to be any more of these third waves or lockdowns or fourth waves or whatever it is at the moment. Yeah, I just wanted to let you know my news, my updates, and that I am coming out with a series very soon in the next few days, hopefully over the weekend. I have no idea what it's going to be like, but I know it's going to be great, and that's pretty much it. The channel's back, my name's back. We'll be doing some cool series. I'm going to try be a lot more active on YouTube this year as well, and just get my butt back into gear. All right, I'm going to enjoy my coffee wherever I've put it now. I've got all my paperwork lying everywhere. I've had to print everything, all the tests. It's quite stressful. It's quite stressful now, and I'm not taking the piss either. Like, I'm not like traveling around and being unsafe. Like, I came home and decided to kind of stay here, but now it is time to get back. So lots of tests, printed up papers, hotel quarantine, and I've just tried to make sure that I have everything. It's really hard to pack 6 months worth of clothes and also think about what you're going to need in quarantine, like cozy clothes, food, wine, snacks. What are they going to have at the hotel? Will they have good food? Can you order room service? I have so many questions. For this hotel quarantine. If you've done it, down below, let me know if there's anything I need to be aware of, and that would be awesome. Not much to be aware of. You're going to be in a room for 12 days. I just hope I can get out for some exercise. Anyway, this is me rambling on again. I'm going to enjoy the sun for the last hour. I'm going to go for a walk and finish packing, and then that's it, guys. I'm going to see you with the series A Room with a Mew. Such a good title. That's it, everyone. Thank you so much. Thank you for staying with me. If you followed my other channel, I appreciate it more than you ever know. Stay on there. I'm going to keep that channel for some extra stuff, and I appreciate you all very, very much. If you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below. I'll see you guys in the 2019. Bye.
Just the other day, saw you looking my way.